was getting ready to paint and decided maybe I should show you my new wet palette setup. So in the previous video, and it's been months now since I've shown that, I had used paper towel and wet it and placed it inside. But now I've got this very thin biodegradable sponge, which I've cut down to fit, and this is damped. I just put a little water on it, squeeze the excess water out, and then I put in a piece of wax paper. And this is just wax baking paper that you can get in any grocery store. You can use parchment paper as well. The problem I had with the parchment paper is that it's brown, and if I could, I'd find a white sponge like this to put in here, because I notice it does affect my color selection a bit. So overall, I'm finding this is working better as far as the fluid acrylics, because before, when I was using these fluid acrylics, they were drying out on the paper towel. I was also having problems with water getting up into the paint area and mixing all the paints together. So it's working better as far as that is concerned. I am having some issues with mildew though. So the previous palette, if I was using thicker paints like this one, it was lasting me weeks. I could go, like a month with using the palette. This palette lasts me about 1 week. If I go too much longer than that, I am getting issues with mildew popping up inside the paint, and it's just the paint itself starts to mildew. So I live in this weird zone where I am by a desert, but also by an ocean. So it's very humid here. And so I noticed that it is affecting the paint. Whoops, knocked that over. It is affecting the paint, and I am getting some mildew in the palette if I leave it sitting longer than a week. So anyway, this is my new palette setup, and I am going to start painting shortly.